They say it's better to be a year too early than a single day too late. Welcome to the Parabolic Meltup. While the S&P 500 is up a staggering 30%, your grocery bill is skyrocketing. The math doesn't add up, and that's because we're in a logic-defying bubble. We've officially hit the second highest Shiller PE ratio in history. We are now breathing the same thin air as the 2001 dot-com burst. Remember Japan in 1989? Their everything bubble felt like a new normal, until it wiped out 40 years of growth in a heartbeat. Low interest rates flooded the system with cheap cash. Today, we're seeing the exact same pattern, but this time, it's fueled by AI. If you overlay the 1920s chart with today's data, the melt-up phase looks identical. This isn't a theory, it's a warning. Risk is at its highest point since 2021. The Buffett Indicator is screaming, sitting 2 standard deviations above the trend. Concentration is the killer. 10 companies now hold 40% of the entire S&P 500. If one pillar cracks, the whole ceiling falls. We're facing a demographic cliff. Fewer kids, more retirees, and a mountain of debt. It's a weight the economy wasn't built to carry. Use the link below to get 60% off Incogni. It's about securing your digital perimeter while the financial world goes mad. But here's the flip side. These companies are actually making money. Unlike 2001, the Magnificent Seven are cash flow machines. AI isn't just a buzzword, it's a productivity engine. Analysts suggest this could be a fundamental shift, not just a temporary spike. Even the smartest man in history, Isaac Newton, lost everything in a bubble. He couldn't handle seeing his friends get rich while he sat out. Don't be Newton. The market can stay irrational longer than you can stay solvent. The key? Keep your cool and keep a sleep-at-night fund. Dollar-cost averaging isn't a boring strategy. It's the only one that consistently beats the emotional roller coaster of timing the top. Whether we crash 30% tomorrow or climb another 50%, the long-term trend of human innovation remains undefeated. Prepare, don't panic. Stay diversified, stay protected, and remember, a correction is just a sale for the disciplined investor. If you found this data valuable, do me a favor. Hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the truth of this market. Share this with someone who needs to see the data. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.